How to buy a dress for a woman. Buying a dress for a woman can be a great way to show her you care. If you feel overwhelmed by the prospect, try not to worry. By assessing her personal style, making sure to get the right size, and choosing a type of dress that suits her taste, you can give her something she will love and be excited to wear. Number 1. Assessing her personal taste. Observe what type of dresses she wears. To help you figure out what type of dress to buy, pay attention to the types of dresses she likes to wear. Consider the colors, patterns, and cuts of the dresses she wears, including the shapes, lengths, and necklines. Number 2. Listen closely when she talks about clothes. When you are with the woman you are buying a dress for, listen closely as she talks about her clothing, shopping, or when she makes comments about things she likes. Chances are she will reveal some very useful information what will help you pick out a dress she will love. Number 3. Take notice of the type of dresses she looks at. When you are shopping together, pay close attention when she seems interested in a dress, holds up a dress to look at, or tries on a dress.